She was driving last Friday on her way to Cincinnati on a snow white Christmas Eve. Going home to see her mommy on a Saturday with a baby in the backseat. 50 miles to go and she was running low on faith and gasoline. She had to learn how to mind, she didn't pay attention, she was going way too fast. Before she knew, she was spinning on a thin black sheet of glass. She saw bones of life flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from my hands. 'Cause I can't do this on my own. So I'ma let it go. So give me one more chance to save me from